In this tutorial, we will learn how to turn off the Twitter sensitive content setting on both iPhone and Android devices. If you use the new X app and find that the app doesn't allow you to view sensitive content such as violence or graphic material, then you'll want to follow these steps to disable the filter. First, open the Twitter app on your device and navigate to the Settings menu. Unfortunately, the official app doesn't provide a direct option to change the sensitive content setting, so we'll need to use a different method. Exit the app and open your web browser, whether it's Safari, Google Chrome, or another browser. Go to x.com, and the official website should appear. Once you're on the Twitter website, log in using your account credentials. Click on your profile picture in the top left corner to access the side menu. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Within the settings, navigate to the Privacy and Safety section. Look for the Display Media that may contain sensitive content option, and make sure it is checked or enabled. Additionally, open the Search settings and disable the Hide Sensitive Content option. By enabling the Display Media option and disabling the Hide Sensitive Content option, you will successfully turn off the sensitive content setting in the Twitter app. You'll now be able to view sensitive content without any filters or restrictions.